Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe, please subscribe and like. We have a lot of video that will educate you on skincare and other ingredients or cosmetics you want to know about. This is the right place. In a quick one, let me tell you, I've told you last 2 weeks about this shower gel, and I'll tell you how effective it is. In case you don't want to use lotion or you don't want to use oil, you can use this shower gel, because this shower gel, it exfoliates your skin, not exfoliate only, it also moisturize your skin, not moisturize only, and it also whitening you. And I told you, in as much a good product is all concerned, if it doesn't moisturize any product you have, whether whitening or not, if it doesn't moisturize, I think that product is lacking. I won't say that product is not perfect, but it's lacking. First of all, in as much you want to get white, let moisturizing take place first. Are you getting me? Because your skin has to look smooth, normal, proper. Are you getting it? Those dead cells also gas to fall off. That's why sometimes I tell you guys, at least once in a month you have to exfoliate. Are you getting it? So when you try to exfoliate with this soap, you see those dead shell or those dead cell, those dead shades, they will all fade off, they will all wear off, because in this soap we have in as much we have antioxidant in it, and also we have properties that can also really fall off those white and black heads off. Are you getting it? I told you mainly, basically, it's been made with fruit, but also we add some little bit 2% of salicylic acid, which all know salicylic acid, what it does is anti-aging. You know, understand? Yes, it's anti-aging also. In as much it works for peeling also. Are you getting it? So when we have anti-aging, such anti-aging in it, so it's going to moisturize. So in as well removing all that. In as well you talk about eczema, you talk about maybe all these heat rashes, or you talk about pimples, just name it also. This body wash is going to take them off, and also before getting you a light up, it's going to moisturize your skin perfectly. It's going to moisturize your skin, which I'll be talking about moisturizing, which is very, very effective, very, very effective for everybody in any part of the country you are. This shower gel has no side effect to say, oh, the sun will be too high, the sun is too low, or whatever, because there is moisturizing elements in it. Are you getting it? Yes, because if you think maybe, for those of us who have oily skin, or who your skin don't hydrate, or you experiencing some just natural dryness or whatever, let me tell you, unless it's not this shower gel you'll be using, but even as far as you're using this shower gel, you will see result in 1 week. Are you getting it? Because it's a customized shower gel, and funny enough, it's very, very cheap. It's very, very cheap. Very, very cheap. Trust me, because that's just the idea. It's very, very cheap. This is 500 ml, very, very cheap. If you need it, you can always contact us via the number on your screen. And now we are about to dive into promo. So have this in mind, that you have some collections in mind that you want to take, you want to get from us. Make sure this promo, you take part of it. The promo is not all of our products, but yes, this one also is part of it, which we say is very cheap. And some of the lightening lotions, the whitening lotions will be going for promo also. Make sure you be part of it. And if you want us to take you on classes also, yes, make sure you take part of it. Anywhere you are, make sure you take part of it. Be Austin Global Cosmetic Skincare family. We are all together. So see as I put all of this into the bottles. See how effective is seeing, you see. You can see, all right, and very thick. Very thick. Very thick. Very thick. Very thick. Okay. Let me take this one a bit further. All right. Very thick and very nice aroma. I tell you, if you want to exfoliate properly and you want to moisturize properly, you want to get white, you want your skin to smooth. This is the right body shower gel. Are you getting it? It's customized. It's customized. It's customized. You can see. So you can easily place your order now. Yes, you can easily place your order now. Wherever you are, we ship everywhere. US, Canada, Asia country, Europe, UK, just name it. We ship everywhere. Everywhere, we said everywhere. Yes. We ship everywhere. So you can see this beautiful shower gel, the way it is, just with good aroma, no side effects. Stay tuned.